In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Fidelity account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily deposit any amount of money from your Wells Fargo account into Fidelity. To do this, first, open the application for Fidelity or use the website, whatever you prefer. For this video, I'm going to be demonstrating it through the app, but you can follow along through the website. To add your Wells Fargo account to Fidelity, tap on your profile icon, and under Profile, you will see Linked Accounts and Banks. I'm not going to cover the entire process because it contains personal information, but by choosing this option, you will be able to link your Wells Fargo account. So input all of the necessary credentials and add your Wells Fargo account. This will allow you to deposit money using that account. Once the Wells Fargo account has been linked to Fidelity, now you can switch over to the Transact window. So on the app, tap on this icon at the bottom of your screen, and you will find Transfer at the top, right besides Trade. Once you go into the Transfer window, you will choose from which account you want to deposit the money from. So Wells Fargo, if you don't see it listed here, then choose the option to link a bank again, or you can use the buttons over here at the bottom, and then to Fidelity. So choose the appropriate Fidelity account if you have multiple. Set up the frequency, so just once, weekly, monthly, whatever you prefer. And finally, the amount. Once you enter all of those details, tap Review at the bottom, and you can confirm everything. So you should see your Wells Fargo account to Fidelity. The date will be set up accordingly, and you can go ahead and submit this transfer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.